Hi everyone, and welcome to TECHFRONTER. Today, we're going to be comparing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in detail. These are two of the latest foldable smartphones from Samsung, and they offer a unique blend of portability and functionality. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the more compact of the two phones. It has a clamshell design that folds in half, making it easy to carry in your pocket or purse. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is larger and more tablet-like when unfolded. It has a larger display and more internal space, but it's also more difficult to carry around. On Hinge Design, both phones have a new hinge design that is more durable than the previous generation. The hinge is made of a new material that is less likely to break, and it also has a new design that makes it easier to fold and unfold the phone. On display, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The display is bright and colorful, and it has a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a 7.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The display is even larger and brighter than the Z Flip 5's display, and it also has a 120Hz refresh rate. On storage and RAM, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes with 256GB or 512GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of storage and 12GB of RAM. On camera, both phones have triple-lens rear cameras. The main camera on both phones is a 12-megapixel sensor. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 also has a 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixels front-facing camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixels front-facing camera, as well as a 10-megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. On performance, both phones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This processor is one of the fastest mobile processors available, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks. On battery, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has a 3700 mAh battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a larger 4400 mAh battery. Both phones support fast charging and wireless charging. On softwares, both phones run Android 13. Android 13 is the latest version of Android, and it offers a number of new features and improvements. On price, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 starts at $999. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 starts at $1,799. On different ways to use the phones. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 can be used as a regular phone when it is unfolded. It can also be used as a compact camera when it is folded in half. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 can be used as a tablet when it is unfolded. It can also be used as a phone, a laptop, or a gaming device. And the pros and cons of each phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the more compact and portable option. It is also the more affordable option. However, it has a smaller display and less internal space than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the larger and more powerful option. It has a larger display and more internal space than the Galaxy Z Flip 5. However, it is also more expensive and less portable. And in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 are two of the best foldable smartphones on the market. They offer a unique blend of portability and functionality, and they're both powered by the latest and greatest technology. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the more compact option, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the larger and more powerful option. Ultimately, the best phone for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and all the product links are in the description below.